Good evening, all of you. So yesterday examples, heading tags, paragraph tags, and formatting tags. Total three types of tags we completed, and all these tags we used inside the body section. So why body section only we use it, sir? Hmm. So these all the tags helpful for displaying of the content, helpful for displaying of the content, and as well as the web page designing purpose. So designing anything, they should comes under the body section. Settings anything, they should go to the head section. So yesterday we got an awareness about the body internal tags, and today we are going to focusing on head section. So a small information we know head, it's used for settings purpose, and this is the first executed section like that. Now practically we are going to working. So before going to the example, head section or head inside subtags purpose I'm showing with live examples and original websites. Some websites I've opened, Facebook and Flipkart and our Naresh IT website. At the top of our browser, we have some boxes. Those boxes are called as tabs. Tab, T-A-B, tab. This is tab, this is tab, and this is also tab. A small box. If you observe the tabs carefully, we have some message, something name or message, and before that a small picture is also there. So if Facebook login or sign up, this is a title, one of the setting. And Facebook before a blue color circle inside F letter is there. That is Facebook icon, are also called as Facebook logo. So this is also one setting only. If you want to display a picture here, it's a setting, and you want to display some data here, and it is also setting. Like that for every website, we have see that one. The Flipkart yellow color box is there, and messages are online shopping site for mobiles or something. Next, this is our Naresh IT. NIT logo is available here, and message best online training something is there. Best online training institute and best software training institute nareshit.com something is there. But the same operations we want to perform on our web page also. For my example, for my pages also, I want to set the same thing. First, I'll execute the yesterday's example. Yesterday's we designed already 2 examples. Those I'll execute it. One of the yesterday's example. For our example also, this logo and title is available as sir. Yes, sir, already is there. Default logo, default title is there. Go and check it. What is my title here, sir? Example 3. And what is my logo, sir? Windows operating system, one file icon. It is a file icon produced by the Windows OS, and this is my title. But we are not designed yesterday, sir. Our default, automatically browser is taking that one. So your program name, it becomes as a title. Which program you are executing, the program name it taking automatically as a title. See that? I'm running some example 2, sir. Now see the title, example 2. So your program name, it becomes automatically title. And before that, Windows default icon is there. I don't like these two, so make it change, customization. Customization we can perform by using head tag and their subtags. First, I'm going to explaining how to change the title. So for changing of the title, we have title tag. So one of the predefined tag of the HTML, the name of the tag is title. Purpose, sir. Title tag used to set the title. There is no special explanation, sir. Title tag purpose to set the titles for our web page. To set the titles for our web page. Small clarity, sir. Somebody they are thinking titles we can set for website. Website title setting, website title setting. Websites, so we are unable to set the titles. We don't have that much of level and capability, caliber, or etc. etc. But what is the use of this tag, sir? This tag used only for the web pages, not website. Website is a collection of web pages. No, this one. My website inside 10 pages available, sir. Very good. 10 pages, so 10 individual titles you have to set. For website titles, sir, that is not in our hand. The service providers should decide that one. GoDaddy.com or BigRock.com, some service providers websites available. So those are all going to deciding the title of your website. It depends upon the money, how much you are paying. You paid best amount, I'll give the best title for you. You will pay little bit amount, I'll give the something title. So website title, nothing but your domain name, sir. Website title is nothing but an domain name. Domain names are decided by the service providers, not by the us. Web page titles are decided by the developer. I see the small formula here. A website is a collection of 10 web pages. Then you have to maintain the 10 separate titles. For every web page, a separate title is available. How many pages available in our website, in our project? For every page, a separate title compulsory, sir. But we are never faced, sir. But we are not observed, sir, but it's available. Open Flipkart or Amazon or something websites, move page by page. While moving the one page to another page, observe the title bar also. Conformly message changing. And somewhere I shown also in the recent days, I think. Next, what is the behavior of the tag, sir? It's a paired tag, opening, closing, compulsory. And this is the syntax. Open the title. What are the text you want to display on the web page? Write the text here and close the title. The title tag syntax. And can I use the title tag anywhere in my web page, sir? At the top of the web page, middle of the program, end of the program. 100% supported, sir, but to prefer always in head section. Title tag we can design anywhere in the program. There is no objections, but suggestible place is the head section. Inside the head tag only use this, not outside the head tag. System supporting us, sir. System supporting. Then what's your problem, sir? Stomachache, acidity. What is my problem? And yesterday what we discussed is, sir, HTML rules and regulations are not available, right? We can develop the program in any point, but we have to follow guidelines, proper structure. As per the proper structure, I'm suggesting that one. I don't want to follow, sir. Your choice. I don't have any objection. So title tag should be used in the head section only. Now I'm going to applying this tag. See that? So officially we are starting the head part also. Inside this head part, start the title. Whatever the title you want to display, just write like this and close this one. So save this program with the name of example 4. as per my sequence I am following. So example 4. Next, go to the browser, execute the program. And there we have change in title. This is our current title. There I typed some meaningless text. The same meaningless text it's going to displaying on the screen. Based on the purpose of the page, we are setting the titles actually. We are testing here. So that's a roughly some text I typed here. Can I type any much of text, sir? Oh, 2 lines to 3 lines also we can type it, sir, but no use. Reason, sir, a tab size observed almost to 6 centimeters we have size of the tab. A title is displaying tab size 6 centimeters almost we have. In 6 centimeters space with 3 lines of data, how can display? So if you type the 30 lines also accepting but hiding that additional information, unnecessary. So take the single sentence or 2 sentences oddly. So I'm writing a small message here. My first web page. Change the title. My first web page. So back to here and refresh. When you're refreshing, the title changing, observe that one. Previously SD something available. Now it will come as my first web page. So all that websites also, they set the titles like this only. Next, can I set the one more title for the same page as sir? Useless. One page, one title, correct, sir. One page, 2 titles, why? Unnecessary. One movie, one title, correct. One movie, 3 titles, sir. But audience getting confusion, unnecessary. With which name we have to call the movie. And misunderstanding also. So second title, no use. But I want to type it, sir. Now we can type yeah. So forcefully, I'm trying to design the 2 titles. But which title browser accepting, sir? First title is accepting, obviously. Second title becomes useless. And browser not executing that step also. So go to the browser and refresh it, sir. Still we have first title only. Okay, I'll change the position. Really first title only accepting or not a confirmation. I just changed the position. But who is the first title for us? A. Now go and check in browser. A accepted. My first web page gone. So that is clear. One page, one title. No need to write the second time the same tag. Next one. Title done, sir. There Naresh IT is saying the best online training institute. So we are going to saying my first web page. That is okay. Balancing both. Next, Naresh IT logo is there, but my page logo not available. Yes, sir. We can design your own logo. Internally, yours internally. Some artist available. So get out of that artist. Draw your own sketch. Take the snap. Copy into the computer. Set as your icon. No, sir. That much of art is not available in my inside, sir. Okay. Your selfie. Take your selfie. Set as your icon. No problem. Any image we can set as a icon, sir, but preferable available. All images acceptable, but some suggestions I'm going to give you. If I don't have any drawing or if I don't have any selfies, what to do, sir? Google Mataji is there already. Google download icons and you will get the so many icons. Download one of the icon and set as your program. Copyrights problem, sir. Copyrights problem. Your example, except you, nobody is watching. Your example, except you, nobody is running. Because it's just example, not real project. Real project, we have to take some guidelines compulsory. I already said yesterday, no, day before yesterday, while copying of the other websites source code, don't copy the images or logos. And a formula you have to follow always. First, I'll explain the which tag we have to use, then go for the example. Mobile number. Numbers are used. How to set the our images or pictures as icons to our websites. For that, the link tag is available. So this is the tag link. We know these words are link talu, TV advertisements also comes, sir. The link tal, sir, this is link tag. Company available, locks link. So what is the purpose of this link tag, sir? Actually, link tag used for the multiple purposes, not only for icons, sir. Right now, I'm using this tag for the icon setting, but future, the same tag we use it for the external CSS mapping. Future, the same tag we use it for the other APIs mapping to our program also. The multi-talented tag, not single. Paragraph tag displaying only paragraph. H1 tag displaying only headings. That's all. Strong tag displaying only bold. Single purpose. But these tags are multi-purpose. Multiple different scenarios for different purposes we are using this tag. So currently, right now, I'm using this tag for setting of the icon or logo. That is I mentioned here. So this tag used to set the icon, nothing but an logo, sir. Icon and logo both are different and don't feel. Our real life logos are available. Company icon available, company logo is there. Logos, icons, and we are now using sounds, sir. Your college icon, college logo na. Logos, the same logo comes to programming, we are calling as icon. So logo is the live pronunciation, icon is the programming pronunciation. Both same only, no differences. And what is the nature of this tag, sir? It is a unpaired tag, sir. So opening, closing separately not available, just a single tag it will comes. And this also should be used in the head section only. Previous explanation to this tag explanation, small change. Title tag we can use anywhere in the program, I said. It's working also, but preferable is a head section. Link tag anywhere in the program doesn't works. If use in head section, then only it will work, sir. If use in body section, it doesn't accept. There's some tags like that, some restrictions available. Link tag compulsory sub tag of the head tag only. Choice not available. But a title tag we can use in head as well as in the body. Preferable is headed. But preferable no. Rule is there. Next, what is the syntax of link tag, sir? Link followed by rel equals to icon, href equals to file name. This syntax, sir, I'll explain the meanings of that one. Link is the name of the tag. Link is name of the tag. Rel means, sir, rel full form relative. The full form of the rel is relative. But here I'll mention already. This is. What is meaning of relative, sir? 2 minutes back, what I said, link used only for particular purpose or different purposes? Different purposes. Okay. Browser also knows all the thing. But right now, for which purpose you are using this tag? That you have to inform to browser. So what I mentioned here, relative equals to icon. So I want to set the icon. That's all. Future, sir. In icon places, style sheet is comes. It is CSS mapping. In future, in icon place, we are also going to writing style sheet. I want to map to CSS for programs. External CSS HTML program mapping concept, that one. The additional step why these ones are into, that is the reason. It is performing the different tasks. Currently, which task you want to perform? I want to perform icon setting. Relative equals to icon. Next, the second one, href. Full form is hyper reference. Href full form is hyper reference. What is this, sir? Simple terminology, location of your image, address of your image. Address, you know very well the word. On Windows operating system, file addresses available. C drive, D drive. You can also call it as a path, file path or file address or something. Which image you want to set as an icon, what is the name of that image, and what is the location of that image. That information comes here. The name of the image along with the location, nothing but an address. We have to write here. So this is the tag name. This is what are the tasks you are doing currently, and where is your source. Total 3. The name of the tag, the task what we are performing, setting the icon. Where is your icon? The location is called as the href. With 3 words meaning, sir. So link space rel equals to icon, then href equals to name of the file. You said file name, sir. Yes, but in explanation you used image, sir. Image file, sir. Images are not files, sir. Go to your mobiles or computers, JPG image, GIF image, BMP image. These all are files, sir. No, na. మా ఊర్లో ఫైల్స్ అనే పిలుస్తారు. In my hometown, we are calling as files only. Audio song. That audio song also in my hometown, we are calling as files only. Movies are Bimla Naik. Already piracy may be available in internet, I think. Huh? We downloaded that movie. That movie video is there, no? Some 800 or 900 MB. The video you are calling. Might in my hometown, that also we are calling as file only. What about you? Same, huh? Or different? Huh? Images, audios, videos, installation softwares, your resumes, PDF or something. One universal pronunciation is file. Everything is file. But you are using or not, I don't know that one. Or maybe you are feeling these are the different. Image is a file, audio is a file, video is a file, setup file, resume is also file, Java program is also file only. No, sir, Java is program only, sir. Your point of view. Processor is calling, it is also file only. OS is saying this is also file only. C program is file, HTML program is file. This nodes is also, document is also file only. Computer's point of view, everything is file. A files, variety files are the human beings differentiating that one, not computers. So file is nothing but a name of the image. This is writing pattern. Next, can I set any type of image as a file, sir? Almost supporting, sir, but some compatibility problems are available. Almost supporting, but some compatibility problems are available. So what are the compatibility problems, sir? Here I given some different types of images. JPG, BMP, PNG, GIF, TIFF, ICO, something. What is all these things, sir? Variety types of images. But systems supporting all these, sir. Computers basically supporting all these, sir, but browsers problems are available. Some browsers are JPG supported, some browsers JPG not supported. Some browsers BMP supported, some browsers BMP not supported. Some compatibility problems are there. There is no universal models, sir. So this is the model supported by 100% of browsers. Last ones are ICO. ICO, icon shortcut. What is our current concept? Setting of icon shortcut extension ICO. So icons, images, extension generally ICO comes. The universal. 100% of browsers are supported. If it is not available, sir, second priority give to the PNG. 99% of browsers PNG supporting. ICO 10% of the browsers supporting. JPG, BMP, I can't give any assurance. May or may not be. Some browsers working, some browsers are not working. You can test it yourself because so many browsers available in the world. Mm, mm. So that's why go for first priority ICO. Not possible, go for the second priority PNG. How to create the ICO images, sir? For that, we need the Photoshop software. Adobe company, one software, multimedia software, Photoshop is there. So, but Photoshop downloading, installing not possible. Simply download from the Google. ICO images. We'll get the thousands of images. Cut one image, use in the program. Simple. The Photoshop is heavy software, sir. That one plus licensed. Heavy software plus licensed. Photoshop, if you want to work it, sir, you should maintain certain configuration in our computers. Minimum 8 GB RAM, minimum i3 2.2 gigahertz processor. Otherwise, sir, if you click any option, tomorrow morning it is opens. A very heavy software. You are feeling .NET is big software, kada? .NET ka baap Photoshop. This much of multimedia and DTP systems, they are going to using that one. So we don't need to go for that much of risk. Google available, downloading. Otherwise, sir, PNG is the best option, sir. In our systems also, PNG images we can create it. How, sir? Paintbrush is there, kada? Paintbrush is universal tool in every computer. Open the paintbrush, draw your own sketch, save as a PNG, use in the program. Simple thing. I'll show wait. The last point. So these are the preferable sizes. 18 by 18 pixels, first preferable, sir. Size. Your image size 18 pixels by 18 pixels, width and height. 18 pixels and how much it will come, sir? Hardly 1 centimeter. Do this one. Your image size should be this size. 20 by 20, little bit more. Otherwise 30, 30, otherwise 40, 40. Use these 4 sizes of images as per the standards. If I go for the bigger than this one, sir, photo clarity gone. Blurriness comes and clearly not visible the picture. If I take one selfie in our mobiles, what is the size of that selfie photo generally? Average size. If you take any selfie in your mobiles, a size of photo, exact count not required, sir, roughly. How much? No selfies, sir. Me, my brush, me, my coffee, me, my breakfast. Huh? These only are the selfies. The average size of the selfie, not selfie, any photo nowadays 800 by 600 pixels. 800 by 600 pixels. An ordinary camera. And then you go for the some high-end cameras are 2000 by 1400 pixels also comes, especially Samsung Galaxy series. Get a size and the maximum 40. Your basic photo size 800 by 600 pixels. But here highest size 40 by 40 pixels only. Your photo like as Pawan Kalyan cut out this much, sir. But program is accepting this much size. Why this much of drastic changes, sir? Go to browser here. We want to display the icon in this tab only. How much space you have? Nearly 1 centimeter space available. Your image should be fit in that size only. That's where the suggestions are comes. If I take the bigger size, simple, sir, clarity not comes, image not visible clearly. The size following or not, that is your choice. So first what I'm doing, sir, how to download from the Google and how to set that one to our program I'm showing. So go to the Google. Icons. Directly we'll get the icons, different icons. These are the different icons there. Go for one of these. I'm taking that clock, middle clock available, no? The clock. Can I directly download this as sir? No use. If you download it, the total picture downloading. But we need only the particular picture, only the single picture. Otherwise, I think this one, I symbol individually available. A single picture, you can download it. Bottom different types of eyes also available. This is okay, sir. What is the size of this image, sir? 900 by 880 pixels. 900 by 880 pixels. Downloading, no problem. So save this image. Where we have to save this image, sir? In our current working folder. Current working folder. What is meaning of current working folder, sir? Well, yesterday onwards, we started programming. All these examples we are saving in one folder. That is your current working folder. HTML4. And it is created in the E drive. So go to E drive, select your folder directly, HTML4, and save inside that one. So names are logo1.png, extension PNG. E drive, HTML4. In this HTML4 folder, the name of the image is logo, extension is PNG. Done. Downloaded. Successfully downloaded. Can you open that, sir? Observe now, these are your programs and this is your image. Both should be in the same location, sir. By chance, image available in another place, program available here, sir. But complete address required. Where image you downloaded, the total address compulsory you have to write in the tag. Now back to program. Link relative equals to, I want to set the icon. Where is my icon? My icon is available in E drive, HTML4, logo1.png and bracket. The actual writing style. Actually, we have to write like this, but as per the special consideration, this is also okay. Address not given, sir. Yes, sir, address not given. Browser automatically searching in your current location. How browser knows my current location, sir? But this is my fourth example. This is my fourth example. Where this fourth example available, same location, my image also available. So the automatically detecting by the browser. No, sir, I want to write the full address, sir. Your choice, sir. I'm explaining shortcut, but you are not interested. Your choice. Anything is okay. There is no problem. Now I'm re-executing the program, sir. Once check it. There your logo is there. An eye symbol displaying. Observe here. My first page and what is the picture we downloaded? That eye symbol. This is matter. It is just downloading and applying. Otherwise, open the paintbrush, use your creativity, save, and same procedure link up. We want to see that procedure also, sir. As simple, sir. Open paintbrush. Draw the small picture. Small picture, not big. Pictures of the So roughly some shape I designed, sir. Two circles inside that S alphabet. Hmm, hmm. Next, I'm going to saving that one. Hmm, hmm. Save this file menu, save. Again, go to E drive, HTML 4 PM, and already logo one is there. I'm going to saving this one with logo 2, logo2.png, logo2.png. Now this name changing. So logo 1 replaced with logo 2, and this is output. A circles we designed together. So circles are going to displaying like this. Your photo also you can place, there is no problem. So this is the way to set the titles and icons for your web pages. And these should be the individually for every web page is required, especially title. Logos are first web page. If you set the logo, it's automatically implementing to next page, next page, next page also. Logos one extra benefit. First page or logo I applied, sir. It's automatically comes to your second, third, fourth pages. Inbuilt feature of that one. But a title's not like that, sir. How many pages available? That number of times manually, explicitly, we should repeat the titles. First page title is not carry forward into second page. Second page title not carry forward into the third pages. Every page they have individual title. If you are not given any title, browser's own title, that is nothing but your program name displaying. So this is head section. But a head section inside what we developed, that anything is displaying on the web pages, sir. No, it's displaying outside the web page, not within the web page. Here our web page is that white color area only. Only the white color area part is called as the web page. Rest of parts, they have their own names. Body inside, if you design anything, that displaying inside this white color area. Head section inside, if you designed anything that is affected to the background of this white color page or somewhere like that out of the page. So head settings, body content. You see this one. Why this message comes onto the web page, sir? Because this is the effect. The body section. Body section inside, I created the H3, the displaying on the page. These are the information about title and link. Next, I'm going to explaining one more tag, comes to the body again, comes to the body. So what is the tag name, sir? Very simple tags are BR tag. BR, it's a line break operations. It is exactly equivalent to enter key in our keyboard. If you press the enter key in keyboard, what happens? The BR is also performs the same operand, just line breaking. Suppose I'm printing some two messages like this, sir, apples and mangoes. Two messages, actually code designed in two separate lines, but output it will comes both same line. Code designed in two separate lines, but in output, both are displaying the side by side and moreover in the same line. So typing here output to some little bit appearance differences, but I want to get the both messages in two separate lines, sir. Then implement the BR tag. Here also BR tag. So now the two messages comes in two separate lines here. If you want to apply the manually line break operation, line break is nothing but an enter key operation. Then we can use this BR tag. This one we can use inside other tags also, sir. There is no problem. Heading tag inside we can use, paragraphs inside we can use, yesterday's formatting tags inside also we can use. A tag inside tag using 100% valid, sir. You gotta see that title tag where I used it. Inside the head only. Head tag where I used it. Inside the HTML. One tag inside another tag, that inside one more tag. And nesting is continuous like that. Similarly, your body tag. Body is already subtag of the HTML tag. In previous examples, body inside I used paragraph tag. Para is the subtag of body. Body already subtag of HTML. So using one tag inside another tag, it's a routine operation in HTML. Nothing special. So BR tag in open areas we can use, as well as in other tags also we can use. No problem. Suppose H1 tag I want to use it, sir. Why not? Suppose green apples I'm printing here. H1. But now H1 is comes in separate line and mangoes are comes in separate line. But between the green and apples, I want to break the line, sir. Use here. BR. The both comes in separate line like this. Otherwise, I want to apply some underline tag here, sir. Green apples, I want to underline it. Normally, both words are come side by side with a single underline like this. Again, I need break, sir. Where you require the break, there we can use the BR tag. Green apples underline. This is. So just I'm conveying a message to you. This one we can use in another tag. Heading tags we can use, paragraph tags we can use, formatting tags also we can use inside the another tags. That is not a problem. So the simple tags are not much more explanations. BR is just breaking the line and the next data comes into the fresh line. This is exactly equivalent to enter key in our keyboards. And the next one, block level tags, inline tags. Yesterday we discussed two words. The meanings we don't know. Some tags are the block level tags and some tags are the inline tags. Examples are H1 is block level, paragraph is also block level. Inlines are yesterday's formatting tags, all are the inline tags only. So strong is the inline tag and italic means EM is also inline tag only and the underline is also inline tags only. So some group of block level and some group of inline. What is the difference between these two, sir? Data position difference, sir. Main difference between these is only data position. So I'll show the small picture to you. You can see. Suppose I'm using some couple of block level tags. So this is my H1 tag. A box is H1 tag. Inside that we are printing some message also, heading 1. Heading 1. First heading is displaying. But second heading where it will come, sir? Automatically it will comes in the next line. Automatically it will comes in the next line. The heading 2. Third heading where it will come, sir? Again in the next line. So 6 headings, if you write it, sir, 6 headings are comes in 6 separate lines. But here after this data, we have so much of gap here, sir. Yes, sir, after the first heading, so much of gap is there, but the gap is not utilized by this browser. See that? The first heading, so much of gap is there. In this gap, can you print the second heading or not, sir? Yes, sufficient space is there. But why they are not taking that space, sir? Why they are not utilizing that space, sir? Because basically I am block level tag. Basically I am a block level tag. So block level tags always displaying the data in fresh line, not in continuation of the previous lines. Always they're trying to display in the fresh line. Simple and funny examples are bussu, trainu. Everybody you knows that one. Bus and train. Which bus? Don't ask, bus and train. Hyderabad to Vijayawada, Hyderabad to Pune, Hyderabad to Bangalore. This is our journey. Oh, almost to 5 to 10 hours journeys, right? No reservation processor, normal. No reservation system, current booking only. Just taking the ticket and go and occupy your seat. But bus, so 40 seats are available. Central AC, 40 seats available, right? Now, 10 seats already occupied by some other passengers. In 10 seats, how it is occupied, sir? First row, 2 people, so 2 people, 4 occupied. Second row, that side window, this side window completed. Third row, that side window, this side window, left side window, right side window, seat occupied. Fourth row also like that, total 10 occupied. But where you are going to sitting? Fifth row, na, or second row, second seat? Obviously, fifth row. 90% of human beings mentality that one. Window seat first priority. AC bus but not much more difference. Non-AC bus we can open the window, we can see like this also. In childhood days, you are never faced these situations. Huh? If you are not faced into, you are extreme person. I did the so many times when I did the traveling in childhood days. Here in the second row, seat available empty, but last row window seat important. Last row, first row not important. Window is the important. A window beside seats, we are not interested to sit. Some of the people's public, I think, in that bus, if a window seat is not available, other seats freely available. They're not going to traveling in that bus. They're waiting for the next bus also. Window seat important. Hima, in your life never happens at this one. Huh? You said no ante you are a liar. Simple thing. 90% of human beings, kids are big, middle age, old age, whatever it may be, it is generally concept. In the trains, the too much as well. Trains, middle of the seat is not feeling comfortable, right? Window seat, and that this side single seats full enjoy. So like that, these all block level tags always preferring the window seat only. Your browser edge window. Edge of the browser is window. This is second seat. I'm not interested to sit here. I'll go for the next row and I'll occupy the window seat only. But third heading is come, sir. Second heading beside we have lot of space available, but they're not interested to sit. Next row, again window seat. So every block level tag is always sitting in the fresh line only. Previous line, 1 kilometer gap is available, so they're not going to utilizing the block levels internal instructions. At the same time, every block level tag internally, a margins also available. A gaps observed heading to heading. You see that one. A blue color your data, but data to data we have almost 1 centimeter gap is there. What is that gap, sir? Margin. Margins. Margin into space between the one data to another. So every block level tag internally are inbuilt some margin settings are available. Minimum 1 pixel available, maximum 10 pixels available. The tag to tag varying. Any tag least 1 pixel, highest is the 10 pixels. But how much pixel if you want to say it's a tag name highlightation required. Yesterday, somewhere I explained paragraph 5 pixels and yesterday explanations while displaying of the paragraph. So every paragraph after 5 pixels margin is available. Like that, this is also. So these are the two nature block level tags. Headings are, paragraphs are upcoming concepts, whatever it may be. Every block level tag data always prints in the fresh line, not in the previously or not in the continuity line. But what about the inline sir? The block level natures. Inline nature what sir? But a strong tag was something available. That displaying the data here, strong tag, suppose apples. Next italic tag is there, sir. That decide printing besides of this only. Space available, I'm going to utilizing. I will adjust there only. So mangoes is printing besides of that. This is italic tag. Next underline tag is there, sir. Mangoes next it is going to sitting. It's going to sitting the mangoes next. So oranges is going to sitting mangoes. These are the inline tags. Inline means within the same line. In line is nothing but an within the same line. So how many tags you are using, sir? That all the tags come the side by side, side by side, side by side within the same line. But I have so many tags that much of space not available in browser, sir. Coming to that only. Next, I'm going to using one more tag, something, some grape. Next, I'm going to using one more tag, something, some banana. Almost we reach it to edge, but still I have some more tags. But their free space is completed. What happens, sir? Next tag automatically goes to second line because first line fully utilized. The first row 4 seats occupied. There is no space to sit. So automatically go to the second line. The next level, next inline tags are comes to second line. From here onwards. Again, here onwards. Whenever you reaches the second line edges, next tag is goes to automatically third line. This is the setting process of the inline tags. Side by side up to the right edge. Whenever you touch the right edge of the browser, excess data goes to next line. And second line is also completed, excess data goes to next line. This sitting position. Margins are, inline tags generally not uses any gaps. They comes very closely like as your sitting position. No gaps between the one inline tag to another inline tag. See that yesterday's example. Observe on the kilometer gap is there a tag to tag. We don't have any gap. All are displaying the side by side, side by side. See that? These are total 8 tags together. All these are 8 tags. First one is B, second one is strong, third one is I, fourth one is EM, next one is underline, next one is strike, next one is subscript, next one is superscript. But where is that gap? Just sitting like as you. How you are sitting in the chairs, same thing. Extraordinary and special gaps are not available. So these are the two differences between the inline and block level tags. Block level tags, data displaying always in the fresh line, and every block level tag inbuilt some margin settings are available. And inline tags are always displaying the data side by side within the same line, and we don't have any margins inside. I need margins, CSS providing. If you're specially interested, you can apply the margins. But by default, our inbuilt, we don't have any margins. So yesterday's pending point also completed. Next topic I'm going to starting HTML entities. Of course, you can also call it as HTML operators. HTML entities. This is actual, but somebody they are changing and calling as a HTML operators. Anything okay, sir? So like as our mathematics, so programming languages, how how we have some operators to do the calculations or something like that. HTML also we have some special entities or operators to produce some special outputs along with the tags. So how can type these operators and how many types of operators are available, sir? We have HTML entities more than 100 is there, sir. More than 100 HTML entities are available, and HTML special operators అయితే more than 300 is there, approximately 300. But I'm not going to giving this list. Time waste, first of all. Reason now. If I given the total list, are you going to remembering? No, why my time waste? How to use that operators and how to identify is it operator or not, that all the things I'm going to explaining currently. Syntax, etc., etc. Entities or operators are used to produce some special type of outputs, especially to print some special symbols. Some special symbols, if you want to print it, these operators or entities are useful for us. Example, I want to print the greater than symbol on my web page, sir. Entity compulsory required. Greater than symbol on my web page, entity compulsory required. Greater than entity wise, sir, we can directly type it, sir. No. Greater than, if you directly type it, HTML never accepts that one. Even less than also, if you type it directly, HTML never accepts that one. 100%. Check it. I want to print A alphabet, sir. It's printing. A alphabet is printing. I want to print the 1, sir. 1 also printing. I want to print the plus, sir. Plus also printing. Plus also printing. I want to print the greater than, sir. We'll get some problems. Continuity of the text, it's not going to accepting greater than and less thans. Right? Working. Wait. Now I want to print H1, sir. किधर है? वो इधर है. Reason, sir, why this separate symbol? This print that H1 before and after some pluses or minuses or something. It's printing exactly. Use some other symbol, sir. What multiplication symbol? There is no problem. It's printing. But less than greater than is not accepted. Reason, sir, we already discussed together that angle brackets are tag representation. So we are expecting this tag angle brackets. I want to display on the screen now. But browser is taking, oh, you typed some tag. Oh, this is some tag now. But it is trying to process the tag and producing the tag output. But what is my expectation, sir? That symbols is the part of my data. So what is we required, sir? Separate entities are required. Those entities are required. Directly, it's no chance to print this one. Not only H1, but paragraph I want to print, sir. No use. Because everything is taking as a tag result giving. But there we don't have any result of the tag. Those all are empty tags. But my requirement, angle bracket to H1 angle bracket as is I want to display on the web page. So HTML entity is compulsory required. How to type those entities, sir? Basic syntax is like this, sir. All HTML entities are starts with the ampersand symbol and symbol. Ampersand and also called as and, followed by write your HTML entity and semicolon. So this is the syntax to write HTML entities. And symbol, name of your HTML entity and semicolon. Syntax to write HTML entities. Like that, any number of entities we can write. That means any number of operators we can write it. No problem. The one pattern, sir. Second syntax also available here. ampersand hash followed by your operator and close this. One more syntax. Some operators are comes like this and some operators are comes like this. If you want to know the difference, sir, HTML entities we have to type with ampersand and semicolon. HTML operators we have to type the ampersand and with the hash symbol. The operator, the entity. Total 100 entities are available. Operators more than 250 operators available, around 300. What is all these, sir? Some English words or some numbers are comes. Operators available either in the form of an English word or either in the form of a numeric values. Which numerics are? Hexadecimal values. Entities are maximum English words, sir. English word, otherwise alphabet. Either English word or alphabet. Alphabet means a single letters available, or normally a straight English word is there. And operators maximum, they comes in the hexadecimal values. Hexadecimal number we have to type here. In mathematics, we have the binary numbers, octal numbers, decimal numbers, and hexadecimal numbers. So a hexadecimal number code we have to write here. Which symbol you are expecting, for every symbol one hexadecimal code is available. But in our India, which city one STD code is there or not? For every city. For each and every city, when we have one STD code. So what is Hyderabad STD code? 040. Mumbai 91. India kada 91. STD codes. Mumbai. Even I don't know. Bangalore, I think 080 anukunta, I think. Chennai 044 maybe. Vijayawada 0863. Like that, for every city in our telephone dictionary, one STD code is available. Okay, maybe landlines currently not available. I think that's why you don't know STD codes. But PIN codes compulsory. For every area, one number, 6-digit number is available. Like that, for every special symbol, HTML also 6-digit number is available. A 6-digit number you have to identify and type here. 6 digits are here also, easy to remember. PIN code, HTML operator. 6 digits to 6 digits. Got a 6 digits before, 2 symbols extra, ampersand hash after semicolon. Simple things are. Got operator places 6-digit hexadecimal code required. You don't know that code, right? Close your eyes. Before closing, put the fingers in the number keypad. And a number keypad available. So place the fingers in the number keypad, close the eyes, press the 6 keys blindly. Then open, run the program. Something is comes. Something is comes, can't guarantee. What it comes, I don't know, but something it will comes. So we'll see the example here. Now we'll get it. Mumbai 022 na. Okay, very good. So operators, entities. Entities English word, operators hexadecimal word. Hexadecimal numbers ante 0 to 15 kada. 16 not available. 0 to 15. In that 0 to 15, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 not available. 10 place A comes. A, B, C, D, E, and F. These are the hexadecimal code. So what are the operator you want to type? That operator, 6 digits I said, na? 6 digits compulsory from this series only. That 6 digits compulsory from this series. One of the 16 compulsory. Now see the example, we'll get some more awareness. So I'm typing something here, green apple. Between the green and apple, I have one space, manual I given one space here. Of course, the same space comes in output also. The same space available in output also, there is no problem. I need some more spaces, sir. Second, third, 4, 5. But output doesn't accept that spaces. Still one space only. If you are giving 5,000 spaces also, but final output, it will comes only single space only. All those spaces are removed by the browser and printing the balance output. The browser's inbuilt nature. I can't do anything. But I need the 5 spaces gaps, sir, or 3 spaces gaps, sir. We have one entity that's called as NBSP. The entity ampersand to NBSP, English word alphabets and semicolon. So what is this NBSP, sir? An NBSP is producing one space. That is the entity. It produces one space. I need more spaces, sir. Just we can copy paste, copy paste. Now we'll get the 3 spaces and 4 spaces also. How many times NBSP you used or you designed, that number of gaps are coming. There is no other option in HTML to produce the gaps. In HTML, this is the only option. CSS, we have some other options, sir, but here is the only, this is the option. NBSP, space, non-removable blank space. Non-removable blank space. We can also say as a Nandamuri Balakrishna special, Jai Balaya. N Nandamuri, B Balakrishna, SP special, Akanda. Our full form. Bhimla Naikule not available. Amma. So next line break operation. Next less than greater than symbols I want to print on the screen, sir. See this H1 tag used for printing headings. This message I want to print on my web page, including the tag name. It's actually tag explanation. H1 tag used for printing headings. But if you run this one, sir, H1 gone, balance is comes. What it is, sir? Used for printing heading. What we used, sir? No, H1 removed. Do you go observe now? H1 tag not printing. H1 tag output is printing. And H1 tag is executed and will get the results. But I don't want this. Ampersand LT, the less than. Ampersand GT, greater than. Now this is the output. H1 tag name is printing directly on the screen. Like that, any tag name, if you want to print on the screen, is special operators required. Special entities are required. LT means less than, sir. GT means greater than. Next, a small line break operation. We'll go for once the Google. You can open any of the company name, A13 chip. The iPhone's microprocessor, that is I open just. One of our processor in our computers are AMD processor, like as Intel Pentium processor. But why I open this one means you can observe here once. So Ryzen, at top of that, what we have? TM. And here also, top of that one, we have the TM. A TM appearance observed, no, it's not look like is our regular text. Because there's something specially displaying. In the same places, some of the companies' names, if you observe it, copyright symbol C symbol is comes. Some symbols, registered symbol R also comes. R, capital B, alphabet R, sometimes a capital C, and sometimes a capital TM. TM and a trademark. It's a reason is a trademark. C means copyrights. R means registered. companies, factories, names ending these words are available generally. PepsiCo, trademark symbol available. Thumbs up, register symbol available. This symbol. And what is meaning, sir? These symbols, others they cannot use. The copyrights problem. So I want to display the data like this, sir. I want to display the data like this. So see that Intel Core i7 processors. Intel Core i7 processor. Intel is the name of the company. So generally companies, which symbol available? Copyrights are trademark are registered. Huh? Registered are copyrights available. Trademark not available for companies. Okay, we'll take some registered symbol. Intel after R symbol I need, sir. So use one entity REG. Registered symbol is comes. Next core. Core after I need some trademark symbol, sir. Ampersand trade. A TM symbol is comes. Next i7. i7 after I need registered symbol, sir. Ampersand REG semicolon. So Intel after R alphabet is comes. Core after TM alphabet is comes. i7 after copyrights kada. Copy symbol C symbol is comes. Now see the one's output. This is output. Intel registered copyright trademark i7. This is. So some companies names, so somewhere we are going to using. Every website these names are available, sir. Where, sir? In bottom of the website footer section available. Company name, terms and conditions, registered 2018-2022. Some messages available in the bottom of the website. That compulsory these symbols are available. So why you need these special entities? Got it? Symbols directly if you want to print it, not possible. That's a HTML providing the special entities like this. How many we covered here? 4 or 5. Like this, we have approximately 100 available. Or where is the 100, sir? On the way. Some symbols directly I'm using. See that, sir? Ampersand euro. A currency symbol, euro symbol comes. 100 euros. Next to ampersand pound. 100 pounds. Ampersand ants. 100 ants. Next, ampersand fractional 1/2. But a fractional part 1/2 is there, no? That one. Like that fractional part 3/4. 3/4 available. Fractional part 1/3 is also available. 1/3. 1/2, 3/4 ఇంకేంటది 1/4 కదా. A fractional parts are going to displaying. Currency symbols are with some fractional part. So idea purposes, some symbols I explained here. But how to get the balance symbols information, sir? That's very easy, sir. Already we are using some HTML special editors here. In our editors, we have inbuilt options of those. You don't need to remember all these nodes. So yesterday we already discussed this toolbar. HTML tags information is available, right? In this toolbar, got a C symbol available here. Click on this symbol. We'll get the total chart of HTML entities. The total chart. In that, which symbol you require, just click on the symbol, code automatically it will comes. Editor typing automatically, code. Just you select the symbol name only. I want to test it, sir. Sure, sir. So I need less than, we already checked together. I need greater than. I need this beta symbol. Next, I need this to divide it by. Next, I need this double greater than. And I need this plus or minus. Next, just now we used C symbol, copyright symbol. R, registered symbol, TM symbol. I need this play symbol, sir. So when you select the symbol, editor is typing the code, so you don't need to worry about that one. So now some symbols I use here, we can check it once. Play symbol, plus or minus. So trademark we already tested. So this is also some directional symbol, beta symbol, something. Entities. Then what about the operators, sir? Operators, we have to go for the hash symbol extra. Operators, hash symbol extra, sir. So this is hash. Blindly I'm typing one number, sir. Something symbol is comes. Reason 200, 300 symbols available. Even I am also human being. Faculty, but human being. Balance you can understand. There's something I typed 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4. What happens, sir? Maybe some variety symbol is comes. You observe now last something different shape. Yes, sir, some mirror reflect effect on. Wait. Next to 11, 55, 33. Box. Next 11, 22, 33, 44. Chatting keyboards only the symbols. These all symbols are counts. For every symbol, one hexadecimal code is there. We can just continue that one. Our symbols are going to continue. Smileys, so faces, so everything is comes. So like that, hundreds are available, sir. Continue a series to randomly give some numbers, so something is comes. Generally, in chatting times, we are using these variety symbols. So operator and entity typing differences is this one, but both are going to displaying something specially data on the web page. So balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. And before that, I'll give a small link to user, just a few minutes. Mm. So from day one onwards up to today, how many tags and the theory part completely we finished? That all the theory and examples I'm just going to sharing to you. Google Classroom is not created, sir. We'll get either Monday or Tuesday that Google Classroom link. So before that, for your reference, I'm creating one temporary link URL. We can just access the notes by using that URL, no problem. So day one to till to date, that all theory part plus just now the programs we completed, few programs, that programs. So everything I'm going to placing here. So for online students, link I just dropped in chat box. Please check that one. It's a temporary link. It contains from the day 1 to till to date all explanations and examples. So please check your chat box. Small link available, bit link, that one. When you click on that link, directly document is opens. Nothing to do. Directly MS Word document is opens. Just we can interested copy that one, or you can download it also, no problem. So for offline candidates, this is the link we can copy. bit.ly/35QZY9B. Letters case sensitive. Copy properly. The alphabets are case sensitive. Okay, thank you all. And the next session will continue on Monday. Tomorrow, no session. Monday will continue the next session. Thank you all. Fake పెట్టుకొని ట్రై చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫేక్ పెట్టుకొని ట్రై చేసుకోవచ్చు. Maximum 18 months to 24 పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. 18 months to 24 months పెట్టుకుంటే మీకు ప్రాబ్లం లేకుండా ఉంటుంది. మీకు ప్రాబ్లం లేకుండా ఉంటుంది. మీరు 3-4 years కూడా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. అందుకు ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది, అక్కడ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ కూడా ఎక్కువ. ఆ లెవెల్కి రీచ్ అవ్వలేదని జాబ్ వచ్చింది. ఇది 18 to 20 months అంటే సీనియర్ కాదు, ఇది ఫ్రెషర్ కాదు. మిడిల్గా ఉంటుంది, ప్రాక్టీస్ కూడా బెటర్గా వస్తుంది. ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కూడా ఈ రోజు నుంచి బ్యాక్ 18 months బ్యాక్ తీసుకోండి. ఈ రోజు నుంచి 18 months మీరు ఎప్పుడు ట్రై చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారో 18 months ఓల్డ్ డేట్ తీసుకోవాలి. మీరు అప్లై చేసేదానికి మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మళ్ళీ గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ గ్యాప్ ఉన్నట్టు మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం. మీరు రేపు అప్లై చేస్తారంటే ఈ మంత్ వరకు మీరు తీసుకోవాలి. ఆ గ్యాప్ మీకు అవసరం లేదు. కరెంట్ గా మీరు వేరే కంపెనీలోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కరెంట్ గా మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే గ్యాప్ అవసరం లేదు. అలా అడిగితే కనుక మీరు నేను వేరే జాబ్ నాన్ ఐటీ జాబ్స్ షిఫ్ట్ అయ్యానని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. మ్యాటర్ కాదు. ఇంటర్వ్యూలోనే ఫుట్బాల్ ఆడుతుంటారు 7 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కి సబ్మిట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. రెజ్యూమ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ కి మనకి సిఆర్టీ క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎవ్రీ మంత్ సిఆర్టీ 3 క్లాసెస్ కూడా జరుగుతాయి. ట్రైనింగ్ క్యాంపస్ ట్రైనింగ్ కోసం దాంట్లో మీరు అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి. చేస్తే సర్టిఫికేట్ వాల్యూ ప్రీవియస్ గా మీరు ఏం చేశారు అనేది వాళ్ళకి అవసరం. కానీ పాస్ట్ కంపెనీ అనేది వాళ్ళకి కావాలి. కంపెనీస్ అవసరం. ఆ ఇయర్స్ కూడా చేస్తే 7 years అని పెట్టారు అనుకోండి. 7 years లో మీరు ఏ కంపెనీలో వర్క్ చేశారు కంపల్సరీ అడుగుతారు. ఏం చేస్తారంటే 7 years పెట్టకుండా ఇయర్స్ తీసుకోండి మాక్సిమం. ఆ 5 years కూడా అడిగితే అది రెజ్యూమ్ లో మెన్షన్ చేయమంటారు. ఒకవేళ మీరు చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే ఇయర్స్ లో నేను పలానా కంపెనీలో వర్క్ చేశాను నాన్ ఐటీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అంటే కాదు వాళ్ళు అడగరు కూడా అడగరు. హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఏదైతే మెన్షన్ చేస్తారో రెజ్యూమ్ లో కానీ మీరు జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు కానీ కంపల్సరీ సబ్మిట్ చేయాల్సింది. వెరిఫికేషన్ జరిగింది. కంపెనీస్ అయితే మీ ఒరిజినల్స్ తీసేసుకుంటారు. కంపెనీస్ అట్లీస్ట్ జిరాక్స్ కాపీస్ తీసుకుంటారు. బిజినెస్ కోసం మీరు హెచ్ఆర్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఒరిజినల్స్ కూడా ఇష్యూ మాక్సిమం 24 months తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే 24 months వరకు కొద్దిగా కన్సిడరేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అది ఫ్రెషర్ కింద రాదు, అలానే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కింద కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా మీకు మీడియం లెవెల్లో జరుగుతుంది.